Is retail shopping dead already because of the online shopping platforms? Not quite. But do we know how to effectively sell in retail environments? Think of great stores like the Apple stores. Welcome to Business and Management Podcast. Hello my friends, how are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. Today, we are diving into a topic that is changing the retail world. How to effectively sell to retail shoppers. You might be wondering if retail shopping is slowly fading away because of the massive online shopping platforms. Not really. With some smart marketing, retail shopping can thrive like crazy again. Think about the Apple Store. It is not just a shop, it's the full consumer and shopping experience. Here's the point. Shopping is not just about grabbing a product and leaving the store. The store is a medium where marketers can work on their magic. In the good old days, marketers can simply create an ad, put the ad on air, and just waiting for the consumer to buy the brands. But now, what happens in the store is just as crucial. It's like the store itself has become a tool for marketers to sway the consumer. So, what is the secret to win over shoppers? Let's break it down. Know your audience. The person shopping for your brand may not actually be the person who really uses your brand. Identify the shopper, the users, and the influencers. The roles can vary, especially in households where there are dual incomes and working parents. Understanding who is who will help you to tailor your message to break their purchase barriers. The power of adjacencies. Think about what are other products or services used alongside your brands. For example, if you sell beverage, consider putting snacks beside the beverage in the store. By understanding these adjacent products, you can enhance the shopper experience in the stores. For instance, just by strategically positioning your brand in the store, you can get some additional sales. Think of putting your shaving cream nearby male's deodorant and hair styling gel. Even further, put your shaving cream just beside the protein shake for the gym goers. In-store magic. With just 30 seconds advertising, it is really tough to showcase product demonstrations. However, in-store is where you can get in-depth with product demonstration. Live product demonstrations at the point of purchase is a game changer. They provide real-life proof to skeptical shoppers. The demo proves your brand's worth right in front of their eyes. Your turn. How do you convince the shoppers to purchase your brand in the stores? Please share your tips in the comment section below. If you find this podcast helpful, then please click like and subscribe button. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you for tuning in. May you always be successful. All the best.